Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Mandy's Geek Boutique. I have not done a video in quite a while. I've had a lot going on. However, I got myself a new house to live in and a new craft room, which I have not yet set up. But I also got new pretties today from Paper Rose, so I thought I would just do a quick little I got happy mail and let's do a I'm back and I got happy mail video for everyone today. I've been thinking about doing a few different things on my channel. I'll still be making cups, of course, but I'm going to also be doing some card making and some junk journaling, a fair bit of mixed media, and I'm not really sure what else, but if it's crafty I'll probably give it a try. But yeah, I've really like at the moment I've been working on some junk journal elements. Like I have this it's called Enchanted Tea Party paper pad, and I want to try and make a junk journal that is Alice themed, because Alice was one of my first loves growing up, and I cannot get this lovely package open. So if you just give me a second, I'll pause and I'll be back with the magic of TV or YouTube, and I will have the package open and ready to show everybody. And just like that, I'm back. Okay, so for those of you who don't know who Paper Rose is, they are a fairly small but absolutely amazing craft company in Australia. So they are based in, I think it's Adelaide? I know it's South Australia. I think they're in Adelaide. And yeah, they do absolutely beautiful stamp sets, paper, ephemera. It's all just absolutely beautiful. I've actually been a fan of theirs for many years. Now, I am not being paid by them. I just absolutely love them, and I was watching the Stamptember stuff for Simon Says Stamp last month, and the September Simon Says Stamp card kit of the month came with some absolutely beautiful flowers, and I was looking at floral paper, and I was looking at them and I'm like, oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. And then of course it turns out they're Paper Rose, so very easy for me to get. But I couldn't just stop at that. I had to get some other stuff too. So I grabbed the paper, the Rainbow Twirl paper pad. I got it in the 6x6, and it has absolutely beautiful papers. Like the ones that were in the, let's see if I can turn this around. The ones that were in the card kit were absolutely just stunning. I'll put the rest of this down here, and of course it's all really well priced, especially for those of you that are in the States, because, well, the Australian dollar is about half of what the American one is. So, but it's real. I love it when I can share companies and products that are here in Australia for us Aussies. So these papers, I'm so sorry about the glare, but these papers, I just absolutely fell in love with them. They're double-sided, 6x6. It also comes in a 12x12 pad, but as a card maker, 6x6 is my jam. Like, these floral wreaths are just so beautiful and perfect, and I just like the bright colors, the pretty florals, and I just fell in love. So from memory, so like, how gorgeous is that? Like, it's just beautiful. So there's 2 of each paper in the pad, 18 double-sided pattern papers on it, 3 of each of the 12 designs. So even with the fact that they're beautiful on both sides, there's plenty of it to go around, and so you can continue and use it. I grabbed this stencil to go with it. It is, what did they call it? Just give me a second. So the paper is the Rainbow Twirl paper collection. This is the Butterfly Trellis stencil, and it is just, it's so dainty and gorgeous, and again 6x6, perfect for card makers, but it would be easy to extend this if for your mixed media project or anything else you wanted to do if you needed it to be bigger, because it's a repeating pattern. You could just reline it up for a bigger page. So I actually got 2 of the Rainbow 12 because I was absolutely in love with it. Now I didn't get the paper sets for these yet, but these are the Enchanted Christmas cutouts. Like, so you can cut them out and use them however way you want, and they are just beautiful. Like, I love non-traditional colors for Christmas. Purple is my jam. Before I had kids, my tree was always done in purple and silver. Mom. And so Mom. Just wanted to come and tell me he's watching Teen Titans. Yeah, so purple and silver was always my Christmas colors. Now that I have children, of course, my tree is mostly handmade decorations, but they are beautiful and I can't wait to make some cards with those. And then I got myself a card making kit because, like I said, card making is my jam. It came in this gorgeous little pouch, paper rose, so I can keep all of my projects as I go sitting in there. And it's the Be Happy card making kit, and it's got an inspiration page and beautiful 6x6 papers, die cuts, and also, so what's it got in it? It's got Be Happy die cuts, which is these ones, which I'll open them up in a minute. An A5 sheet of sentiments that match the colours beautifully, which I always love being able to do. I really need to get my real camera set up properly. Comes with 8 by 8.5, 8 inches by A5 size. So it's they're A5 size card bases. Beautiful, easy to set up. And so yeah, so the die cuts are like, so they're like, who doesn't love sunflowers? Like, seriously, they're so bright, cheerful. And then they, of course, they pair perfectly with these. And then these have got these cute little gnomes in them that are just so freaking adorable. Like, welcome to our hive. Like, you are my sunshine. Like, these are just going to make absolute, like, daisies and sunflowers and bees. And, like, again, I've got a thing for wreaths. I just love them. Little wagon full of sunflowers, little honey pot. It's just absolutely amazing. And then the pattern paper, of course, coordinates. So again, it's the 6x6, so it's 18 double-sided pattern papers. There's 3 of each of the 12 designs, which are double-sided. So we've got, let's see if we can show that a little better, like daisies on that side, and then this side, you've got this gorgeous little, I think it's a little stump with a little birdhouse on it, little beehive. Like, it's just, they're just stunning. Like, these can be used as little cut aparts or just like as a card base on its own. Little black and white beehive seeds. resin, honeycomb. I suppose you can call it honeycomb if it's black and white, but again, another little page that you can use on its own or cut apart. Those little gnomes again, so cute. And just this gorgeous, distressed, beautiful papers that match. Honeybees, honeycomb, little jars of honey. And then these gorgeous sunflower border. Some more distressed stripes. And I just love that they all coordinate perfectly. So you can have your really, really bright or your distressed, mix and match them both. This one has a really, really subtle honeycomb pattern on it. And then on the back, it's got these gorgeous little blue-black bees. And they in all different little sizes, and they are tiny and they are just beautiful. Like, just, they would make a beautiful background. And then again, like I said, you get 3 of each one. So absolutely stunning, and I cannot wait to start creating with them, and I cannot wait to order more from Paper Rose, because I kind of have to admit, I kind of forgot they existed for a while. So that is my little crafty haul for today. What I want to know is, would you like to see me make cards from the Be Happy card kit, or would you like to see anything else? Is there anything from the Paper Rose website that you'd like to see me use in a video? Whether it's crafty, whether it's for card making or maybe mixed media set. I think these papers would be absolutely beautiful if I bought them in a bigger scale to put on a cup. I have done that with pattern paper before. It's a little trickier than using vinyl wraps and stuff like that, but the results are absolutely amazing in the end. Yeah, so let me know in the comments what you'd like to see in terms of paper crafting. Would you like to see me make a few of these little journal clusters, or maybe see me put together a junk journal when I get one done? I want to do a fairy tale one. I've done one page. Like, Snow White's one of my favoritist of my fairy tales, and I just think that it's beautiful. Kind of looking forward to the new movie, which I know is controversial to say, but yeah, so I've been working on these. And yeah, then I am going to work on I've done the shopping and the video for the shopping part of the video. I'm going to do a why buy it for $2 when you can make it for $99 worth of supplies video, but not really. I've set myself a budget of $50, and it's going to be a Kmart card making video. So basically I've gone out and I've bought $50 worth of supplies from Kmart, and I'm going to see what I can make with those supplies and whether or not it's worth buying. Like, if you can get the same sort of results from Kmart cheap stuff as you can from the beautiful Paper Rose and Simon Says Stamp and all of that sort of thing, I reckon I'll be able to do pretty good. I reckon anybody can do well, that you don't need to spend a fortune to do craft. And I think that is what my main focus is going to be moving forward, is not spending a fortune, but also not supporting those foreign companies that steal other artists' art and ideas. And so I might go into that more later on, but for now I'm going to say farewell, and I hope that the next few, however long I'm around again, is calm, smooth and wonderful, and I hope you join me on my crafty journey. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see. I will link Paper Rose Studio's website. Please check them out. They are amazing, and supporting local is like amazing. That's how we're going to get more craft companies here, is if we can support the ones that are here and show them that we do have a market for art supplies that are locally made and designed. And yeah, thanks everyone. Please like, subscribe, all our good stuff, and I will see you in the next video.